Here we are. Muskrat's den. The big old porch out front. We have a great view out here. See all the storms coming. Nice pretty sunsets. Alright. Hey guys. Work. This. He's in here, Rexo, working hard. Just got the vaulted ceiling finished today. Except the corners. That's where the stove's going to go over in that corner. Kitchen. AC. Fridge. Yeah. There's a cardboard cutout of where the island's going to go. See out the front. This is for Sandy.
Yeah.
Canned lights up here. There's the master bedroom. Some insulation stored in here. I have a nice view out there. Window out here. Look out at the weather. Master bathroom. All the rock in. Shower. Huge. It's big. Master closet.
Yes, ma'am.
Here. Big. And water heater here. It's going to go over there. It's all good. It's all good. Here's Sandy's office.
Okay.
Oh, it's a mess! I think that's where the kids are going to stay. Somebody messed it up. Gotta finish this closet. Again, nice little view out, right? See down the fur shed. Rest of the yard out here. You can finish that closet. I did 3 of those today. Another bathroom. Tub in there.
Right?
Okay. Window.
It's in the school. It's in the school. Not where we're going to put it, but it's in the school. It's in
Utility area.
Brian Spears. He doesn't go up there inside the grade school. It is a high and dry place. And he says you can
Access ladder in.
Nice. Okay. Well, good.
Wiring in.
No,
I haven't been up here yet.
before Mario got it.
Wow. All the return air up here.
Okay, how do you
Added some lights up here. That's all good. Okay. One spare bedroom. Got some extra sheets in here. See how the first shed, rest of the yard. Big old spot for a garden coming right there. Another big closet. Washer dryer in here, of course. Put that in, dryer here. Got these nice windows here that have the little things inside the glass. Same with the patio door. We swapped it. It was opening the wrong way, so we swapped it out yesterday. Patio door has that feature also. nice. Out here, there's the house. So you gotta get the siding on, of course. You know. Got the access down here. Probably not gonna get any video of that. That's the crawl space under there. And they've got a little. Gotta finish this back here. I've got a retaining wall right here. I can visualize her planting something, some viney stuff, and come over the top of that. But it's happening. Gotta hit the road, get back to my family. Been up here about 9 days. Done. I forgot about this place.